Look here, question is find the local maxima and the local minima if any. Then find the local maximum and local minimum value. Here function is given to you x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. This function is given to us, and we have to find the local maxima and local minima. Look here, this function, first our step is we have to find the differential. So we do the differential of this f dash x, and differential of this is 3x square minus 12x plus 9. This is differential, and from these we can check this. Here 3 is common, so x square minus 4x plus 3 3 9. Now we will do the middle term splitting of this. So we get x square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3. Okay, now this f dash x will be equal to 3x we take common, so we get x minus 3, minus 1 is common, x minus 3. So this we can write here f dash x equal to 3x minus 1 and x minus 3. Now look here, we will have here f dash x equal to 0 when x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. So we get here 2 points. All we understand this f dash x is 0 for x equal to 1. You can put here x equal to 1, we get 0. X equal to 3, then also it will be 0. So we get 2 points. And here this x is given in number, this real number. Real number we have from minus infinity to infinity, and this 1 and 3 will mark is 1 and the second point is 3. Now look here, we have here intervals minus infinity to 1 first interval, and then second interval is 1 to 3, and the third interval is 3 to infinity. In this first interval minus infinity to 1, you can take any point. I will take here 0. Okay, so if I put here 0, then I get here negative. If I put a 0 here, this will be also negative, and negative I multiply, I get here positive. Okay, and in the 1 to 3, if I select 2, what I select 2. So if I put here 2 minus 1 is a positive, 2 minus 3 is negative, means I get here negative. Similarly 3 to infinity, you can suppose we can suppose any point. So here I put here 4. So 4 minus 1 is positive, 4 minus 3 is positive, so this is positive. Okay, so here is positive, negative and positive. So you can mark here positive sign, negative sign and positive sign. So look here, positive to negative means x equal to 1 is increasing, then decreasing means it is a maxima. So we can write here local maxima is x equal to 1. And we have to find the maximum local maximum value. This will be f1, and f1 how we can find? In the function we will put here place of x1 1 power 3 minus 6 1 power 2 plus 9 1 and plus 15. This we have to solve. Look at 1 power 3 is 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 15. This we will add. We will get here 19. All you understand this, and same as it is we will find minimum value. So here is minus means decreasing, then plus is increasing, means this is x equal to 3 is a local minima. So we can write local minima is x equal to 3, and local minimum value is f3. Okay, place of x we will put here 3. We multiply 9, 3 3 9, 9 3 27, and 3 3 9, 9 6 54, plus 9 3 27, and plus 15. Look at 27 and 27, 54 minus 54 cancel, we get here 15. So local minimum value is 15, and local maximum value is 19 we get here. Look here, find the local maxima and minima, and the local maximum and minimum value of this function fx is sin x plus cos x if x is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. This is a very important. Okay, now here we write first the function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Okay, and here x is belongs to, we can write 0 to pi by 2. Here this you can check, this is a open interval, sin x plus cos x. First we do differential f dash x. Sin x differential is cos x and cos x differential is minus sin x. Now we find f dash is x equal to 0. So look here, cos x minus sin x will be equal to 0. So we get here cos x equal to sin x, and this meaning is when we have this equal, we have x equal to pi by 4. At pi by 4 this cos x equal to sin. Now we draw a number line. On number line, first point is 0, second point is here pi by 2, and this pi by 4 is between these. Okay, we have here two intervals. Okay, look here we have two intervals, 0 to pi by 4, and second interval is pi by 4 to pi by 2. So in first interval we check this f dash x. 0 to pi by 4 means here this is 0 to 45. 0 to 45 we can take 30 degree. Okay, so f dash 30 degree we can check. 30 degree means pi by 6 we will take. Cos pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6. Okay, cos pi by 6 means here cos 30 degree we know root 3 by 2, and sin 30 is 1.2. Now you can see this is greater than this, so this is greater than 0 means this is a positive we have. Okay, next is f dash pi by we will pi by 4 to pi by 2 means 45 to 90 degree we can take here 60 degree. 60 degree we can write pi by 3, and cos pi by 3 minus sin pi by 3. Okay, cos pi by 3 is 1 upon 2 and sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, and this is less than 0 means we get here negative. So you can check here this is positive and this is negative, means here the function is increasing, here is decreasing, means this is a maxima. So we can write here the local maxima is x equal to pi by 4 and local maximum value equal to f pi by 4, and this we can find. Look here, pi by 4 we will put here, so sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon root 2, and this is 1 upon root 2. We add these 2 upon root 2 we get, and this is equal to root 2 we get. So here local maximum value is root 2. All of you understand, this is a very simple and very important question we have done. Find local maxima and minima, and local maximum and minimum value if exist. Okay, here fx is given to you sin x minus cos x, where x is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi. So look here, this function is given to us, this sin x minus cos x, and here x is belongs to 0 to 2 pi. This is the open interval. Now first case is we have to do differential f dash x. F dash x equal to sin x differential is cos x, and cos x differential is minus sin x, so minus minus it will be plus sin x. Okay, now this f dash x we have to make equal to 0. Okay, so look here we get here cos x minus sin x, this is equal sin cos x, this will be equal to 0. Okay, so sin x will be equal to minus cos x. Okay, from here we get here sin x upon cos x is equal to minus 1. This implies here that tan x is equal to minus tan pi by 4. Okay, look here, we have a minus here 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi means we are given first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Okay, so look here, all we can check this negative. 10 is negative, we have second quadrant 10 is negative, and in fourth quadrant 10 is negative. Okay, here is positive, here is also positive. So second quadrant, how we can write here? Look here, second quadrant we can write 10x equal to 10 pi minus pi by 4. 10 pi minus pi by 4 is minus 10 pi by 4, or we can write here 10 2 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so we get here x equal to, this will be 3 pi by 4, or we can get here 4 to the 8 and 7 pi by 4. So we get here two values of x, for that the differential is 0. So we draw here a number line. This is 0 and this is 2 pi. 3 pi by 4 is here and 7 pi by 4 is here. Okay, now we get here intervals, and here is f dash x. F dash x is cos x plus sin x. Now first interval is, we have here three intervals, 0 to 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4, this is second interval, and 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi, this is third interval. Three intervals we have here. Look at first interval is 0 to 3 pi by 4. 0 to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is pi minus pi by 4. So we can take here pi by 2. Okay, so pi by 2 is between this. So f dash pi by 2 we will take. So cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1, means this is a greater than 0, and we get here the sign is positive. Now here is positive. Look here, 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. So we can take here the pi. What we take? Pi. Cos pi plus sin pi. Okay. Cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. So this is less than 0. Less than 0 means minus. Okay, all of you understand this? Then in last we can put 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. 7 pi by 4 is 2 pi minus pi by 4. So we can write pi by 4 45 degree minus, we do minus 2 pi minus pi by 6, we do 30 degree, we do minus. Okay, so here cos 2 pi minus pi by 6 and plus sin 2 pi minus pi by 6. So this 2 pi minus we know that is cos, here is positive and here sin is negative in fourth quadrant. Now cos pi by 6 means cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree we know that is root 3 by 2, and sin 30 is 1 upon 2, this is a greater than 0 and means plus we have. Look here, here 7 pi by 4 means we have 2 pi minus pi by 4. 2 pi means from 360 minus 45. So we subtract 30 degree, that will be between the 7 pi by 4 and 2 pi. Okay, so we get here plus sign, minus sign and plus sign. Look here, here plus means the function is increasing, then the function is decreasing. So this point is a maxima. So we can write here the local maxima is x equal to 3 pi by 4. Local maximum value we have to find, and that will be equal to f 3 pi by 4. In the function fx we have to put 3 pi by 4. So f 3 pi by 4 we put, And what is 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4 is pi minus pi by 4, minus cos pi minus pi by 4. Look here, in second quadrant sign is positive and on pi no change, and here second quadrant cos is negative, so negative negative positive, and this cos pi by 4. Okay, so look here, sin pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, this is also 1 upon root 2, 2 upon root 2, we get here root 2. So local maximum value is root 2 we get. Same as it is, we have to find the point. Look here, 7 pi by 4 plus 2 minus, plus means here function is decreasing and then on plus is increasing, means on 7 pi by 4 the value is local minima. So we can write local minima is x equal to 7 pi by 4, and local minimum value is f 7 pi by 4. Now look here, we have to find this fx is we know already, sin x minus cos x, and here we put f 7 pi by 4. So look here, sin 7 pi by 4 is actually 2 pi minus pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4. So we get here sin, look here, in a fourth quadrant sign is negative and we get sin pi by 4. In a fourth quadrant cos is positive and outside is negative, so we get here minus cos pi by 4, and this we get minus 1 upon root 2, this also minus 1 upon root 2, we get minus 2 upon root 2, this is minus root 2. So local minimum value is minus root 2. All understand? So answer we can write local maxima is x equal to 3 pi by 4, local maximum value equal to root 2, local minima is x equal to 7 pi by 4, and local minimum value is minus root 2. All understand, this is a very simple solution.